If you want to change the audio output in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch Audacity's playback device so your audio comes through the right speakers or headphones. This is especially useful if you plug in headphones after Audacity is already open, because Audacity may not automatically detect the change. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Audacity and look at the top toolbar. You'll see the audio setup button and it has a speaker icon on it. This button is where Audacity keeps your audio device settings. Click on audio setup and a menu will appear. From that menu, choose playback device. This is the option that controls where Audacity sends the sound when you play audio back. Once you click playback device, you'll see a list of available devices on your computer. Now select the speakers or headphones you want Audacity to use. If you're using headphones, choose the headphone device. If you want sound through external speakers, select those instead. After you pick the right device, Audacity will start using that output for playback. If you don't hear anything right away, double check that your device volume is turned up and that the correct output is selected both in Audacity and on your computer. This part matters because Audacity needs to be told which hardware to send the sound to. If you plug in headphones while Audacity is already open, the software may still be trying to play through your old device. That's why using the audio setup menu is the correct way to switch it. Now, if your device is not showing up in the list, don't panic. Just click the audio setup button again and look for Rescan audio devices. This tells Audacity to search again for any newly connected sound devices. After the rescan finishes, go back to playback device and see if your speakers or headphones appear. In many cases, that fixes the problem immediately. If it still doesn't show up, try unplugging and reconnecting your device, then rescan one more time. Also, make sure your computer itself recognizes the device because Audacity can only use outputs that your operating system detects. Once you've selected the right playback device, you're all set. You now know how to change Audacity audio output in just a few clicks and how to troubleshoot it if your device is missing. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.